What's good, traders? It's September 2nd. Let's see if we can catch a trade. Now, I didn't trade Friday. I was off the charts. I was traveling, so I just got back on Monday. Today we are back. I got some new pairs that I'm looking at. The pairs will vary depending on what I see and how clear my bias is. Let me start off with gold on the daily. We have really been bullish, and we took, I think this is all-time highs. As you can see, we are not displacing above this swing point. So on the hourly, we shifted structure and created these two hourly fair value gaps. It looks like price is invalidating this one, so we could potentially see price come up to this one. On US CAD, I don't think that I have traded US CAD before. We have these two daily fair value gaps. Price displaced through this swing, swept this liquidity up here, came back into this range, disrespected this daily fair value gap, and now we're coming back up into these daily fair value gaps. Price tapped into this one. It looks like this one is holding. However, if I take my premium and discount, this fair value gap will be in premium. It would be nice to see it come up here, but we will probably be able to take these draws down here though. On the 1 hour, we do have this displacement higher, but price made all these equal lows down here. We already tapped into this fair value gap as well. It looks like we're just consolidating before the session. Possibly we can catch a reversal. In Euro USD, we displaced through previous day low. Price really isn't telling me anything on the daily. I do see that we have this 1 hour fair value gap, and price ended up taking liquidity right here. I want to see price come up to this fair value gap. I might take buys up to this fair value gap just because we are so extended. That's what I'm looking at on Euro. Looks like we're about to invalidate this fair value gap on gold. If we do, then possibly I can catch buys or just wait and see how we react off this fair value gap. USD CAD, I want to see some displacement down to all this low resistance liquidity right here. And for Euro, possibly can take buys to this fair value gap. I started marking up my charts before I started recording. It's easier to just explain what I have on the charts. So let me know, or if y'all do want me to continue to mark up the charts as I go. On Forex Factory, we have 8:30 CAD news, yellow folder though. 8:45 USD news, but yellow folder. 9 a.m. red folder news, and orange folder and yellow folder. So on Euro, let's see if we could shift structure bullish and create a fair value gap. USD CAD, at the moment we're just consolidating. It looks like gold is coming to this hourly fair value gap. I wanted price to come to this one anyway, so let's see if we can tap into that fair value gap. Looks like we're getting some good push up. Like I said, I will probably be targeting this fair value gap up here, but we also have some low resistant draws. Now let's see if we can create a fair value gap. Looks like price is making multiple fair value gaps on USD CAD. Let's see if this one holds up. Since price passed through this hourly fair value gap, I'm pretty sure that it's trying to hit this one. So it seems like we came back into the range on Euro USD. Let me just see if this fair value gap holds. Yeah, so price just shot straight through this fair value gap. We are in this daily fair value gap, but price is not showing me that it's trying to go lower, and we are holding this fair value gap. Looks like gold is falling right now, and keep in mind we did disrespect this fair value gap. Let's see if price is trying to tap into it. It looks like price tapped into this fair value gap once again. USD CAD just went up. Euro USD is just not moving. This is the next swing that I would like to see price displace through. I'm really not that interested in USD CAD anymore. Price tapped into this fair value gap. Okay, so what I seen on gold, price created this huge fair value gap at 8 p.m. Asia session. We tapped into it, went up a little bit, then came back down and disrespected it. So we came and retested it, and now we're going down lower. I do see that price is leaving behind this fair value gap right here, and we are in equilibrium from this swing to this swing down here. Yeah, this fair value gap is also in the EMA, adding to my confluence, and this fair value gap is in equilibrium. Let's see if price can come back. So my stops will look something like this. Enter there, put my stops there, target price all the way down there. Okay, it looks like I'm tapped in. Let's see if we disrespect this fair value gap. So I got stopped out in gold. I didn't want to put my stops up there. I could have put my stops there, but it's whatever. If you stayed this long, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.